Bienvenidos, amigos, to another episode of More Life Diaries. And on today's episode, we're very excited to take you with us to Cascada, El Salto. This is a waterfall that's very close to our house, basically in our backyard. Less than a 10-minute walk away. We were very surprised by how beautiful this Cascada was. Must go to if you're coming here to Puerto Vallarta. Did you have fun? Did you? Bassie held the map to the Cascada to show us the way.
That was actually Owen. That wasn't me. That was actually Owen.
Oh, Owen from Jurassic World showed us the way. You guys don't want to miss this episode. This place is beautiful, breathtaking. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment below if you have any suggestions on what we should do here in Puerto Vallarta. Let's go. Welcome back. We're on our way right now to a little waterfall called Salto. What's it called? Salto.
I don't remember the name.
Yeah, we don't remember. We'll confirm once we figure it out. Or we'll put it on the screen. What's the guy got? What? What are you smuggling? Bass, show your outfit, Bass.
It's the Jurassic World. The Lost World.
And it's apparently just around 10 minutes away from our place where we are now. So we're gonna go check it out. The kids were a little bit sick, so they didn't go to school today, and discover some local things here in AGUA AZUL.
Woohoo! Too sick for school, but way too much energy to stay in
At home.
house. So we're gonna burn some of it.
All right, let's go check this out. We're here to tell you about Mut Virtual Assistants, our virtual assistant and social media management company.
With Mut, we offer two major services, personal and administrative assistance, as well as social media management. So with the personal and administrative assistance, you can manage your online store, manage your emails, calendar, get you all organized, and help take the load off you.
And the second branch of it, we can edit podcasts, edit video, long and short form, social media management, anything and everything to take the load off of you so you can focus on the important stuff. Go down below in the description. We've left a link to our website that has the full array of services we offer, and you can email us at mutvirtualassistants@gmail.com for a free consultation. We're here to help you guys focus on what you do best and help your business scale. Mut Virtual Assistants down below. We got some crazy rain yesterday during the morning, and it doesn't happen too often, but that it rains during the day and not at night. But yesterday was really crazy.
Papa, you have to walk in the...
What? You're the leader? Okay, good. Oops. Let's see the flying V. Go quick.
That's the way for the second.
We had a really busy week last week. We were moving, so we got the keys a little bit early, which is good. We did like 6 or 7 carloads. Somehow we moved to Mexico with only 1 carload. We accumulated a lot of stuff, and it was Bassie's birthday last week, so we had his birthday and his birthday party. What did we do for your birthday, Bass?
Trampoline.
Trampoline park?
Yeah. Wait.
Look at your map, bro. We switched it up. And yeah, it was a really busy week. Then the kids got sick, so. Is this the waterfall? According to your map? think we found some of the waterfall here. Watch out, guys. Car coming. We're gonna keep hiking a little bit more to see if there's more of it. All right, so I think we came up maybe the wrong way. There was a waterfall there, but I don't know that it's the official one we're looking for. So we're gonna go back down the hill and try to look for it some more. You hot bass? Found the other side of the waterfall we asked, so I think we're on the right path right now. There's like multiple waterfalls going down, which is really cool. Some kids swimming. Let's see if we find this bigger one. Yeah, as I was saying, we've been busy with the move. Bessie had multiple birthdays, birthday week some would call it. So we had plans to record some stuff this week. And yeah, this vlog will just show you guys little bits and pieces of our move. Didn't record like all of it, and it's a lot of the same thing. It's not very entertaining. I'll give you guys a house tour eventually. We're just still looking to buy a few things. A bunk bed being one of them for the kids' room. Ooh, can hear a big waterfall. Woo. Made it to the waterfall. It's actually really nice. There's a lot of water flowing. The water's nice and refreshing, clear. A really nice waterfall, a dope place to come hang out. And this is why we moved to Agua Azul, so we have things like this around. Beautiful. Definitely enjoying this waterfall. It goes all the way up, so we might try to keep going a little bit higher. And it's a really dope spot, like surrounded by trees in the jungle. Very cool, as you can see. And Callie's enjoying this water. Took off all his clothes. So I'm assuming that during dry season, there's not too much water here. There's probably a bit easier to walk around, but I guess you're only coming to see a waterfall for the waterfall. Waterfall, beautiful waterfall. Me and Kathleen will definitely be back here, and it's a little bit challenging right now with Callie because we have to carry him. It's a nice little place. Bring Bassy one day. We'll bring them all, but I think right now they're tapped out where they are, so let's go back for them. That's it, y'all. We are on our way back. Beautiful, highly recommended waterfall to check out. It is not for people who have difficulty walking. So I think the next thing we'll show you guys in this vlog is maybe our little dinner at a little taqueria that steps away from our place. Delicious tacos, and I'll shower before then. And maybe get a haircut.
Please.
Right now, guys, we're at Mica Taqueria, and we're about to eat some delicious tacos de carne, de pastor, quesadillas. It's gonna be delicioso.
Yummy!
Bassy.
Go. We're going to eat some tacos. We're going to eat some tacos. We're going to eat some tacos. Eat some tacos. We're going to eat some tacos. We're going to eat some tacos.
Sorry for the interruption, but we're here to tell you about the Mexico Relocation Guide.
So the Mexico Relocation Guide is your one-stop shop for everything about moving to Mexico. This includes immigration information, real estate, how to rent, how to buy, where to go if you need health care, insurance. Everything is included in this guide.
Mariana, the one that runs it all, has included a full list of contacts, her contacts for anything that you need. We could have sure used this list because we've gone through it all here. Finding mechanics, finding plumbers, finding electricians, reliable real estate agents, everything is to be found in the Mexico relocation guide. We've left an affiliate link down in the description, guys. Go click that link and don't forget to sign up to their newsletter. Mariana, once again, sends a few emails every week with very interesting information about Mexico. Link down below in the description, guys. Back to the episode. Welcome back, guys, and thank you for joining us on this wonderful episode. We absolutely love Cascada El Salto. We definitely weren't expecting it to be as breathtaking as it was. This is a beautiful place, very close by, so we'll be going there pretty often. But just to mention that during the dry season, it is completely dry, so there's not much to see there. Already, the Cascada, which does run all the way down here on our street, is completely dried up. So you have to catch it when it rains, otherwise ain't much water. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us once again. We're going to be putting out some exciting and fun videos for you guys in the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you have any suggestions on what to do in Puerto Vallarta, and until next time, guys, this is our journey, more live diaries. Peace.